You see the bottom start relaxing over there?
Mm-hmm. It's almost immediate.
Because we got to get this to lay down. Now, the difference between what before and after, you could keep video. I'll take the wide angle, the blue. Oh yeah. This is Spencer Colgan. Welcome to my Wallpaper television show. What you just saw me use was a typical torch that you use for outdoor camping. And what I did was I relaxed this very heavy-duty vinyl wall covering in order that we may more easily manipulate it to get it to what's called lay down. If you don't do that, this is such high-quality material that if there's a wrinkle in it from having been folded for a while, it will remain there until you get it to relax by the use of heat. If you'd like to see more of my videos, please check out www.spencercolgan.com or my YouTube channel, Spencer Colgan Wallpaper Television Show. Thanks for watching. Click on like and subscribe to my channel. If you need wallpaper, you'll get the best deals and the greatest selections at wallpaperboulevard.com. Thanks for watching.